Hello.
Am I audible now?
No, you're not audible.
Hello. Am I audible?
Bit, yeah.
Okay.
Hello. Is the quality so good? We should start now.
Yes, I guess. We can wait for 5 more minutes so that all the students and participants are joined.
So I request everyone in the meet to please turn on their cameras. Good morning, dear judges.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
Hello, everyone. It's an honor to have all the judges in this meet.
Your voice is too low.
It's an honor for us to have all these judges in the meet. I guess we should start the ceremony now.
Okay, cool. So, hello everyone, hello hackers, and good morning, dear judges. We know you guys are as excited to be here as we are here to have you. I, Ekta Arora, on the behalf of complete HackBash team, welcome you on board. HackBash 2021 is one of its kind event where 8 DSCs from all over the Gujarat have joined their hands to bring amazing developers like you on a single platform to brainstorm your ideas and to convert it into something really cool in 24 hours. HackBash is categorized into two domains, AI/ML and machine learning. And guess what? We have exciting prizes and amazing goodies for winners of each domain as well as for all the participants. So you guys are eager to know how you can grab them? Well, we'll be giving you all the instructions later in the session itself. So hackers, here I am introducing you to our judges and to our sponsors. So we have our first judge, Mr. Sritam Das, who is an alumni of NIT Warangal. He is currently working as a front-end engineer at Remote. So would you like to say some words to our developers?
Hey, thanks. Hello, everyone. I'm Shritam. I'm a front-end engineer at Remote. I work with React every day, and I love doing that. And I also spend a lot of time mentoring beginners in this field. Uh, I also love Counter-Strike and mechanical keyboards, so those are pretty much all my hobbies. I graduated from NIT Warangal with a major in metallurgy and materials engineering, which is not that common. So I'm very familiar with hackathons since I would make it a point to attend every single one that my college would host, uh, even if it is a lot of time just for the t-shirt and the Red Bull. But joke aside, hackathons are a great way to indulge and get your feet wet in software. You almost get a taste of what professional coding is like. You will face unforeseen errors and you will have to either solve them or just hide them in a way that nobody ever finds them. I'm just kidding. You will have to be a true engineer though, and you will have to solve problems on the fly and by updating your core logic using some kind of external package or simply some other kind of jugaad. And I think that is what is always at the core of what we do of being a software engineer. You are constantly just solving problems, and there's a lot of them. But anyhow, I hope you all have a great time the next 24 hours. Make sure you're drinking enough water and you're eating your meals properly because trust me, you cannot code well on an empty stomach. So make sure you take care of yourself. And I look forward to seeing all of your submissions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Before we move ahead, I would like to give a word of thanks to our gold sponsor DevFolio and our silver sponsor GitHub for providing us amazing platforms, support, and amazing goodies. So here we move towards our second judge, Mr. John Flores, who is currently program manager at GitHub. Sir had an amazing journey as a student researcher, as a program manager for different organizations. So please inspire our developers with few words. Sir, you're not audible. No, sir. So till Sir is joining, let's move ahead and give some word of thanks to our sponsors. We are happy to have IEEE and Tasers as our silver sponsor. And I would like to make an announcement here. The best hack will be featured in IEEE's newsletter. So isn't that exciting, hackers? So till sir is joining us, we should move to our next judge, Mr. Shad Ahmed. I guess he is not with us right now.
Hello, yeah, I'm here.
Oh, sorry, sir. So Mr. Mirza is currently working as senior software engineer at Hashnode. He's also a technical writer and he has mentored students for starting their own blogging journey. To all the bloggers out there, you can approach sir with all your queries. Sir, please guide us.
Okay, so hello everyone. I am Shad Mirza. I work as a developer at Hashnode, and I am more into the React technology, React Native, Next.js, and MongoDB. And apart from the tech, I am very interested in art and writing, and I mentor students on starting their blogging journey through the Next Big Writer program. And for the people who are participating, I have 3 tips for you. So first is think realistic. You are not supposed to build a complete project in 24 hours. So think about the idea, focus on the idea, and build a prototype. And second is take frequent breaks. Breaks are very important to retain focus. And third will be imagine the demo you are going to submit, and imagine how cool the demo you can make it, and think backward, and set the timelines accordingly. Yeah, and I'm really excited to see all your projects.
Thank you so much, sir. So moving towards, we have Mr. Pratik Gogia as our next judge, who is currently front-end engineer at Razorpay. Sir has worked with numerous organizations, including White Panda, Nutanix, Griddle, and lot more. Sir, it would be great if you can say a few words to our hackers.
Yeah, first of all, a very good morning to everyone. My name is Pratik, and I've been working as a front-end engineer most of my career as of now. But I also like to hack around many back-end technologies because I worked in various domains. So every domain had their own set of requirements. So as a matter of fact, I worked in multiple front-end technologies as well. What I would like to tell today is that I have also participated in many hackathons at my workplace, but I always realized that it's not always about winning. The hackathon is supposed to be focused on the criteria where we can build out few things which can actually bring us some kind of impact in the organization that we are working on. For your particular case, it can be around how it can actually create an impact in our individual lives. For example, if I'm building some kind of project, maybe it can enhance my own personality or my thought process. So tips, I don't know what kind of tips I can share. The only 2 tips I can share is that whatever you are building, don't directly jump into code. First of all, think about like what exactly are you making. As a fellow engineer, as a fellow developer, I can understand that it's literally impossible to create a product in just 2 days. So bring us the whole prototype like that you are building, and focus more on it, because coding anyone can do, but thinking out of the box is a different skill altogether. Second of all, instead of just thinking about winning a particular competition, hackathon or anything, try to enjoy it, have fun with your teammates, try to discuss your ideas. And I think that's what the whole experience is all about, and try to make the best out of it. That's all I want to say, and all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving towards, we are happy to have Dr. Vinayak Bairagi as our next judge. Dr. Vinayak is professor at Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department in All India Sri Sivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Technology, Pune. Sir has written more than 60 papers which are published in national and international journals. Sir, please motivate us with few words.
Hello, good morning to all. Welcome to this hackathon organized by Developer Student Club powered by Google. Think, code, innovate. As per the prediction, AI will contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. So there is a huge opportunity for all AI developers. This event is open to developers to develop any subset of AI, pattern recognition, or machine learning, or natural language processing applications. The other applications of AI includes speech recognition, character recognition, face recognition, computer vision, image and video processing. Even the web search pattern of the user is been analyzed to show him personalized advertisement. The aim of this event is to bring amazing developers on one single platform. Its attempt to bridge the gap between theory and practice. The judging criteria includes marks to the impact and technology. It includes effectiveness, future extension, testing with real test cases. It also includes creativeness, innovativeness, usefulness. I'll be judging AI and ML domain project. I think such events are just the starting sparks. You need to go much ahead of this. Competition is one part, but try to come up with some product. Don't stop after the event. Try to develop advanced version of the product. So it will be a spiral curve of the development. Think, code, innovate, one cycle, rethink for the betterment, recode, re-innovate like version 2, and the cycle repeats. I'm thankful to the organizers for giving me this opportunity for judging this event. Finally, I wish best of luck for all the participants. Enjoy the event. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So we have Mr. John Pablo back with us. Sir, please, you can say a few words to our hackers.
Sure. It never gets old when you're muted or you have some misconfiguration with video calls. But hey, everyone, I'm Juan Pablo Flores, and I'm a program manager at the GitHub Education team. And before being part of GitHub Education, I was part of the MLH team. So I used to run a lot of hackathons. And what I learned from the student developer community and from hackathons is that it's a great space for all of you to try new things, to learn new technologies that probably you've never used before and how you can apply them to new projects, and connect with new students that probably you didn't know before. So if you have a team already made, it's always good to invite new folks to join your team. If you come here by your own and probably have a free weekend for yourself, then feel free to join other people and get to know them better. I know it can be kind of like overwhelming at the beginning, but it's a great opportunity for you to kind of expand that network that you currently have, and you never know where these folks will end up once they graduate. At the end, what I've learned is that those students who use hackathons as an opportunity for learning and for connecting and to network with other folks were the ones who really won the prize out of a hackathon. And even those who won the hackathon, they might get like t-shirts and a couple of swag items, but there's nothing as valuable as connecting with other great developers from around your area. So get the most out of not only the hackathon, but also about the organizers, the mentors, and everybody around the event. And of course, congratulations to all of you folks organizing this event. Organizing a hackathon is a challenge. Organizing a virtual hackathon is even more challenging. So congratulations on the effort.
Thank you so much, sir. So moving towards our next judge, we have Mr. Akib Ahmed as our next judge, who is a technical speaker and currently working as a senior software engineer at Automation AI. He is also an instructor on e-learning platforms like Udemy and Mindpago, and he has mentored more than 7,000 students and professionals in India and beyond. Sir could not be with us right now, but he has left some message for us. Let us check that out. Parth, if you can share that message.
My screen is visible, right?
Yeah, it's visible. Go ahead.
Sorry, the voice is not clear.
There's lots of noise. Voice is not clear.
Okay, let me check again.
So we train students on machine learning, machine intelligence, chatbots, and automation. And I've been talking with students and with students. Because of COVID, at least most right now, so yes, this is how just a little bit myself, I started my career in integration first, and automation.
Yes, yes, yes.
Perhaps we are facing the same issues.
Um, then let's skip that part because I think it's a technical issue in my laptop then.
Okay, cool. Technical issues, we can't help. We are sorry, guys. So here was our judging panel and our sponsors. So we know you guys are eager to run your fingers on the keyboard. Well, we have few instructions after which we can start coding. Pat, please mute yourself. Cool. So number one, your GitHub repo should be public all the times till the final results are out. Number two, your README files should be well created so that we can easily know what you are making. Number three, the hackathon starts sharply at 11 a.m. on 13th March and ends at 11 a.m. on 14th March. And no commits before and after that time will be considered. Also, in order to be eligible for participation prizes, you need to submit your idea on DevFolio on time. Last but not the least, we have meme challenge going on. To participate, simply put your memes on your Instagram stories, tag HackBash, and you're good to go. For any kind of queries or doubts, you can ping us on our Discord channel in the doubt section. Thank you so much, guys. We get started with your journey. May the best hack wins. Thank you.
Thank you, Ekta. And to all the participants, we will be online 24/7 for this 24 hours over the hackathon. So if you guys have any query, any doubts, you can ping us on Discord. Thank you all the judges for coming and making this hackathon and inspiring all the participants. We can now disconnect the inauguration ceremony and start the hackathon.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye, everyone.
Have a good
Bye.
one. Happy hacking.
Enjoy the event.
Thank you, sir.
Parth, do you want me to share Akib's message?
We'll share it on Discord.